Hi my dazzlers, hope you had a great Diwali and I hope you enjoyed it with your family and friends. I had an amazing time. I had my close friends come over, we ordered food, we had a karaoke session, a couple of video callings with friends who are in different cities, and oh my god, that was so much fun. Although I stayed home, but I did get glammed up for Diwali. I'm sure you guys must have seen my Diwali makeup tutorial. Having said that, it's also very important to remove your makeup before you go off to sleep and let your skin breathe and get enough nourishment and rejuvenate while you sleep. Plus, I'm in a profession where I have to shoot for 7 to 8 hours at a stretch, and I have to do my makeup, remove my makeup, and then do my makeup all over again for another video, and that causes some damage to the skin. So I have to make sure that I choose a strict makeup removal process and a nighttime routine that will help with repairing the damage. Also, you guys have been wanting a video on how I remove my makeup and my nighttime routine, so here it is. Let me wear this cute hairband. Can you see it? Yes, you can. The first product I use is the Kaya makeup removing wipes. I use these on days where I have really heavy makeup on, especially my shoot days where I have to wear a full face of makeup. Other days I just skip this step. The wipes are just for emergency purpose. I don't use the wipes regularly. So I'm going to start removing my makeup with a very light hand. If you don't want to use makeup wipes, you can totally skip this step. Now gently on top of my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna take the Garnier Micellar water. I'm currently using this Bath & Beauty Company cotton pads. I just shake it a little and remove my makeup with it. This does an excellent job in removing any traces of makeup. This one is the Oil-Infused cleansing water. This removes waterproof makeup as well. It's for your face, eyes, and lips. And right now I have waterproof mascara on, so I'm going to remove it. I'm just going to take this cotton pad and wrap it around my finger like this. Take a mirror. Just the way you apply mascara, you just remove it the same way. Wiggle it at the roots. So this is what comes out. Okay, so the mascara on this eye is totally gone. Mascara is off. I'm just going to take a fresh cotton pad and just go all over my face to make sure I don't have any trace of makeup left. I just keep repeating this step till the time I see no makeup on the cotton pad. Now I'm going to cleanse my face and I'm going to use the Kama Ayurveda Sensitive Skin Cleansing Foam. I have sensitive skin and it removes impurities and excess oil, yet it does not dry out my skin. The pure sandalwood oil has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. Since I have to shoot a lot of makeup videos, my skin becomes irritated and this soothes and calms down my skin. So now I'm going to use my Foreo. I just switch it on and it vibrates. I love using the Foreo as it massages my skin and it feels very relaxing. This is an extra step, so if you want, you can totally massage the cleanser in your skin with your fingers. So now I'm going to switch it off and I'm going to wash my face and be right back. Okay, so I'm back after washing my face. Next, I'm going to use the pure rose water from Kama Ayurveda. I have been using this for the past week and a half and I have been loving it. This is very refreshing and my skin feels fresh instantly. Oh my god, I love the smell. This is an alcohol-free facial toner and a natural astringent. So what this does is it balances and restores skin's pH levels and tightens the pores. Its light cleansing and clarifying action helps remove cleanser residues so that I can move on with my next step. Next, I'm going to use the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid Ayurvedic Night Serum. It is 100% natural and it helps to nourish and repair my skin while I sleep and wake up to totally refreshed and glowing skin. It contains the finest Kashmiri saffron. So as I said earlier, I apply a lot of makeup and if my skin is not taken care of properly, my skin tends to get dull and damaged. So I needed something that would reduce dullness, pigmentation, work on my fine lines and wrinkles and give me an even toned skin and improve the overall texture of my skin. Kumkumadi oil is extremely good for dull, aging, pigmented skin, and I'm happy that it is 100% natural and it works on all those skin problems. I just take 4 drops of it and rub it in my palm and warm the product and I just dab it on and then massage it upward and outward motion. I just also lightly dab it around my eyes. The warmth of the product feels really nice and very, very relaxing. The warmth so nice and so relaxing. I don't use it during the day, I only use it during the night because it is a nighttime treatment. So that is it. This is how I remove makeup and my nighttime skincare routine. I'm super happy with my minimalistic nighttime skincare routine and I'm really happy with the results I'm getting. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you liked this video. Do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.